Have you ever felt like life is hard? Like it can sometimes be a struggle to get up in the morning and do all the things that you have to do? Do you ever wake up feeling constantly tired and stressed? Does life just seem too much? The warrior mindset is different. The warrior mindset actually has nothing to do with combat. It's about being tough, and it's about not letting little things get you down. It's about pushing ahead with what you know is right. And it's about carrying responsibility and hardship on your shoulders with dignity and pride. It's about not letting your emotions get the better of you. And it's about not taking the easy answer or the easy route to solve your problems. That means you'll be able to become the person that, instead of getting tired or bogged down, instead of being distracted and tempted, you would instead drive forward with an unstoppable, bulletproof mentality. Your enemies would quake knowing that there was nothing they could do to stop you. Your career obstacles, relationship goals, and financial plans would all crumble beneath your will. You are extremely efficient, determined, and full of pride. Self-discipline, determination, and self-sufficiency are what will make you strong and will help you get what you want. You will become a good parent, good friend, and good partner. You will be able to live with yourself and earn respect and admiration from others. You will be working out your mind, your philosophy, and your soul. It will make you unstoppable. And the list goes on and on. But developing a warrior mindset is a complex and broad term that encompasses a number of different strategies and activities. In order for it to be successful, you need to have a good understanding of what it is, how it works, and how you can best adapt it to work for your particular situation. To make it easy, I put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the guide to show you how to get the bulletproof mindset of a fearless warrior. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a real warrior by getting the bulletproof mindset of a fearless warrior, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is the warrior mindset? What it takes to be a warrior. Times you are not a warrior. The fire within. Goals and the warrior. Creating your own code of ethics. How to use fear setting. Stoicism and the warrior mindset. The power of pessimism. Growth mindset. Why we have become weak. How to get tough. Tools for growth and resilience. Correct breathing. Strength training and martial arts. Applying classic warrior principles to business and life. Lessons from the art of war. Lessons from the prince. Taking a harder road. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually get the bulletproof mindset of a fearless warrior. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. I feel like life is hard. I feel like it can sometimes be a struggle to get up in the morning and do all the things that I have to do. I wake up feeling constantly tired and stressed. To me, life just seems too much. I don't do things with dignity, grace, nor bravery. Little things get me down. I don't push ahead with what I know is right. I don't carry responsibility and hardship on my shoulders with dignity and pride. I let my emotions get the better of me. I take the easy answer or the easy route to solve my problems. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you are going to hire a mindset expert to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars in this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the Warrior Mindset Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, the Warrior Mindset Mind Map, valued at $17. Now, some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Motivation Resource Sheet, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you are looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution at getting the bulletproof mindset of a fearless warrior, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you get the bulletproof mindset of a fearless warrior. I'll see you on the inside.